Okay, let's do this. Oh my word. I can't believe I have it. Look here, guys. Oh my word. It's like a real mirror because it's showing. Is my name is on it. Okay, guys, I want to tell you that a lot of people have what's the word, requested or asked why they don't get they don't see my videos. So what you must do is, below this video you'll see the subscribe word. If it's red, it means you're not subscribed to the channel. Then you must press on there and you will be subscribed, right? Then next to that you'll see a bell icon, and then you press on it and it will give you 3 options, and you press the one that says all, meaning now whenever I post a video you'll be notified and you can watch it. And once the video pop up, the first thing you do before you watch it is you press like, and in that way that helps my channel. Just press like, and if you can share as well. Yeah, so that is what I need you guys to do for this YouTube channel of ours. Yes, just do that, and then you'll get the videos whenever I load it. We've got our garlic and cheese rolls toasting in the oven. What else we got? I got the paprika and garlic butter prawns. I got the millies cooking away. We have a nice salad, and then we have the vanilla cake with the fresh cream and the tropical sauce.
And you have a robin. I miss you. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm just popping in to see my bestie today, and of course she's treating me with something delicious. That cake looks divine. And then there's the prawns.
Today is a rainy day, guys. Hope you all are well. This is my lunch. A nice chicken breast that I put in the oven, some cauliflower, broccoli and apple, and just squeeze some lemon over. And what else is happening in the house? I'm gonna make some chicken acne for supper. Get out the spices still and the garlic and ginger. I got a milk tart in the oven. Okay, my friend. My friend Chef Wadia came to drop some paternoster crayfish. They're still alive. Look there. Can you believe it? Shukran so much. And of course, she's gonna get milk tart. Milk tea for Okay, today is Wednesday, Nashali?
Yes.
Wednesday. What are we up to today? Okay. This is my favorite chair, guys. And Shelly's gonna eat lunch now. There's some leftover chicken acne. And I got her favorite chips, cheese and onion. And normally when we have free time, then I pick a like a movie. And then Shelly relaxes with some cheese and onion in a movie. And what else, Opa? Yes, it's summer, it's super hot. But Opa has been asking me for soup. So I'm making soup. This is the carrots, the onion, the celery, soup celery. And here's the split peas. And the meaty bones cooking away. But I only used half a pack of split peas, 1 cup. And there's some leftover tomato paste that I'm going to throw in. That's that. Then on this side, I've got some mince that was in the fridge, and then I had leftover jalapenos. I've got green beans, some onion. This is leftover from the soup. I'm not going to waste it. 2 potatoes, and I've got, you can see it's open. It's leftover carrots and the sweet corn. So I'm going to make something from this, but I'll make a video and I'll catch up with you guys with that. Okay. And then we're in the yard. My favorite slippers. Okay. I'm going to show you guys something. I don't know if you watched the last video, guys. Hey, kom eens hier. Tappelwe bakkie in die yard. Must wash it out. So guys, I told you the grapes. I don't know if it came out better or not better this year, but it did. We hit the jackpot, guys. They're soft, meaning they're going to be sweet and edible. Look at this. So I'm going to pick it now next, ne? Say hello to the people, Sunny. Okay. Here we go. We feel nice and soft on top. Then I know. Where's the others? There's so many. It smells like grape juice here. Oh, kyk hierso. I have to cut this. There's more. Cleaned it up a bit now. I left the others, they're not ready. Need more sun. Look at this. Look at that golden look. Put it in vinegar water. A little bicarb just to clean it properly. And now I can join its friends. Looky, looky. Oopie. Oppa's waiting patiently for the soup. It's now done, Oppa. How many cups are you gonna have? We're gonna finish that pot.
Only penny. Yeah, the cricket goes there.
Soup bubbling away. Oppa asked now how long. Ek sê, we sê ek nie nog 'n halfuur, Oppa. Shelly, what movie you wanna watch today? Action.
Yes.
An action movie. James Bond. The new movie. Okay. But you're gonna lala?
I'm not gonna lie.
This is all Oppa's trophies. Oppa. Look there, Sportsman of the Year. He played cricket for Polytechnic Cricket Club. Like there. There's all his stuff. And this is all Oppa's drawings. Oppa draws as well. Paints, sketches, everything. There's some more. This is from a book. A cover of a book that I love, and he decided to paint it. Here's another one. And here's also one. There's another one. This is what my P12 drew. He also draws and paints. Oppa also makes clocks. Guys, I was gifted a fridge magnet today, and just look, it is so cute. It says Jenne frikadel. Look at that. Shukran so much, Abdul Halik. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna tag you in this video. Look at that. Jenne frikatel.